We are Rusty Autos with a lot of wind. Welcome to our crib.
Go take a look inside.
Before we go inside, we're going to show you outside here because we haven't already. Now, we've got a little forecourt area which we sit. We've got patio doors on one side, some large steps going down, and then down at the bottom where one of the garages was, we've got something that you guys will enjoy. So come and take a peek. So here, I'd like to say is where the magic happens, but it's where the magic happens. So in here we've got a little games room, pool table, a few games, sofa, keyboard. Okay. Anybody think that we spend all the time in here? This is probably correct. It's nice. We've got a nice view, which we'll get onto soon. I'll just show you out there. Very nice. So we've got a sea view out the front, which we'll get to soon. Anything you want to say to the people, Jack? Don't do drugs. No, yeah. Don't do drugs.
Give me the camera.
I'm not playing the piano.
Do it.
No.
Give it.
No.
Give it.
Well, I tell you what. If it gets 500 likes this video, I'll play that.
No, just.
I'll play that if it gets 500 likes.
Just do it now. No.
You play it.
I can't.
Okay. 500 likes. I'll play that. You might be sat there thinking you said come inside and we're not even gone inside yet. But in here, this garage, we've got washing machine, tumble dryer and all that good stuff. The other one is just used for storage as well, so we have 3. But now it's time to go inside. Just through the front door, we've got a nice hallway running straight down, and then we come into the main dining area and kitchen. We've got a nice big kitchen going all the way around. We've got a nice table with some awesome sea views, although it does get a bit choppy, doesn't it, Jack?
Yes.
So once we've got the nice sea views, we've obviously got a nice little heating room, shall we say, sunroom. It's got an open fire in there, so we can burn some logs. Got some amazing views as well from where we are over to the cliffs the other side, so you can see the other houses. Once that's done, we've obviously got to come outside, and we've got the balcony to see that amazing view once again. So this carries on all the way down the side of the house. We go for a little wander. We'll show you, keep it on that view so you can all have a look. The chairs like to move, don't they?
Yeah, it's from the wind.
The wind just blows them everywhere, but if we go down here, we turn around, we've got the house here with the balcony, and then we've got a garden which runs all the way up the top, down the edge. Excuse the wind because we are, like I said, on a cliff, we are quite high up. You can see many other places. But down at the edge of the garden, we've got some fresh rabbit poo, some Nesquik, Jack, get your milk cat. Wow. Oh, what is that? Hello? That's so cool. Anyway, leaving be. Back on to the view. So we've got a nice little pathway down here if we need to. I can stand up there. Yeah, I know. But there we go. So you can see the sea and Jack's forehead.
It's big.
We're on a massive hill with a nice view. So we'll go back inside and we'll show you the rest of the house.
Right, we'll go through the hallway. The first room is a bathroom. We've got a giant bath for Rusty, which is massive.
I beg your pardon?
It's big.
Yeah, it needs to be. Look at me, we've got a fruit bowl and we ain't got no fruit in it.
And I've got this mirror that's all motion sensitive with LEDs and stuff, and there's weird stuff happening with it.
Yeah, it keeps turning itself on every 5 seconds, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So you'll go out, you'll come back in, and then all of a sudden it's on again.
But you have to like go right up to it to do it, so it's weird.
It's weird. That's 1 of 6 bathrooms.
1 of 6.
Yeah, 1 of 6.
That's.
Move on to the next. Further round, next room, we've got a study. We use this room just to do general shit, sit down, Wi-Fi, all that fun stuff. So, carry on going. It's very quick. We've got the bedroom here, which don't get used, as you can see, never. But it's got nice sea views. I don't think we're going to show you our personal bedrooms because that's a bit weird. So we're not going to do that, but we'll take you down now to the other guest rooms as well. So if we go further down this way, we've got one here. So this has a nice ensuite bathroom as well. Shower, toilet, radiator, rusty. Next, we've got further down a wild jack. So there's the front, as we saw earlier, that you all saw. Next room, we have got another bedroom, which again never gets used. Hey Joe.
Yes.
This hasn't got such a good view. It sees a wall, a tree, and some gravel.
This keeps everything though.
Yeah. So in here again, ensuite bathroom, toilet, shower, mirror, and a toilet seat that don't slam. Oh. So next up,
That is
Karen.
wicked.
It's that ghost, I'm telling you.
I'm sure there's one in there.
There's more than one. Right, further down, go up to the next level, on some steps, and this is the living area,
Moose.
which we never use.
Moose.
Moose, yeah, ignore the moose. In this room, nothing ever happens except the incline comes out of there every now and so often, doesn't it? We've got TV in here, fire, chill. There's my room. Jack's room is, oh damn it,
Yonder.
down there right on the edge. I told him we're not showing him personal rooms because it's a bit weird.
Yeah.
Somebody will probably look at my underwear and think, oh, I like that. You won't do it, you because you're on a crusty.
They're not crusty.
Crusty, rusty.
It's
No,
very
might
small.
not. So the question, the thing in question is, how much do we make from YouTube? How much do we make? To elaborate on this question a little bit more, we've decided to come to the sunroom because it's nice and bright and the lighting's really good. So, with regards to YouTube, we do get paid fuck all, don't we?
Nothing.
It's literally hardly anything, it's pennies, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now this goes on views, it goes on likes, it goes on comments. Now the only way a video can trend on YouTube is if, for example, the tag cars, we deal with cars mainly. If the video has, say, 1 million views, there we go, 1 million views, say 250,000 likes, so many comments, it has to fall underneath that amount of views and comments before it actually comes underneath the tag of cars, if that makes sense. So with Rusty Autos, we've got our own tag of Rusty Autos. Now that is obviously a lot lower than the tag cars because it's a more popular term. So for example, if you put Rusty Autos into the search, if a video has over, say, 2,000 views or 1,000 views or something, it will appear as that tag. Now for this to happen, people have to like videos, people have to watch the videos, people have to comment on the videos. It's difficult to do that, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because you're doing such a mixture of content. It's difficult to get into the algorithms. To get into the algorithms, as soon as you're there, your video starts trending, it starts getting recommended to other people. Now that is where the money's at. That is where you will start getting paid a hell of a lot more than what you do, which is just pennies, literally pennies. The quicker you get views, the more money you get. On average, you don't even get about 30 quid, if that. It's not even that. And you think the amount of time, effort, and resources that go into it, like a camera, for example, that you're seeing now. Cameras aren't cheap. They're not cheap. The camera we've got it's an expensive camera. If we were saving for that, it'd take what, 3 years?
Yeah.
So it's not cheap. YouTube isn't a game of, oh, it's so easy, do this, do this, do that. Now the people who obviously on a lot more subscribers, they did this when like years and years ago when YouTube wasn't as common, so everybody jumped on that social media platform, and then they took off and they've got to start getting paid and all that sort of stuff, which is amazing. Now for other YouTubers, like for us for example, in the car game, it's quite difficult, isn't it? Because there's a lot of other people that do cars, hell of a lot of other people, We don't really collaborate with any other people. We keep to ourselves mainly, because we want to have done it ourselves. Like, it's our achievement that we want to have done. At the end of the day, if people find the videos, then great. But again, if you are wanting to do this as a full-time income, what's your advice?
Keep a job as well.
Yeah, because it's not going to pay straight away. It's going to be a very long time before it does pay. So to be able to do that and be able to make it as a full-time thing, it's difficult. Now, don't get me wrong, some people get amazing views, some people get amazing like feedback and all that sort of stuff, and getting the algorithms really easy. It's one of them things where your content has to be above the rest, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And it has to be really good. Over the years, looking back at our first video when it was just me, it was filmed with the phone upwards. And then obviously things have changed, times have changed, things have happened, which has made it a lot more easier for us to be able to put better content out. But that hasn't come with sacrifices. There's been a lot of sacrifices to put that content across. Many sacrifices. But that is the way of the game. If you don't make sacrifices in life, you ain't going to do it. So our advice is, if you want to start a YouTube channel, start it. However, bear in mind, it's not going to be a quick, easy job. You have to put effort in. You have to put the time in. Otherwise, you're going to get nothing out of it. Oh yeah. You will get negative comments. You will get positive comments. Negative comments, take it on the chin. Feedback, accept it, improve on it. The thing is, all the positive comments are really positive. It can change your mood really fast, can't it?
Yeah.
When you do get a positive comment. So in Worthwhile, it's not just always about money, for us anyway. Like, we actually enjoy doing the videos, we enjoy having a laugh, we enjoy you guys commenting, interacting with each other. So it's fun to do. This was just a fun little video for us to do as well while we was having fun, basically, innit? So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like it down below. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you get us in them algorithms. Make sure you get this video trending.
Do it.
For these views. And we'll see you with some content very, very soon. The 350 content. I don't know when that's coming back.
There's some on the Corsa.
There's some on the Corsa, which they may have seen before this.
Yeah.
You may have seen this, but we'll see.
On a plus side, I wonder what the drive. Do you reckon we should tell them what the driver like around here?
The drive.
Yeah.
What, scraping?
Yeah.
Jack scraping everywhere.
Everywhere.
If you're not sure what that is, and you might not have seen it yet, I'm sure you can figure that out. However, I will say as well, nothing because I forgot.
God's sake.
But no, the 350 content will be coming, but however, I'm getting told by the companies that I've ordered the car and bought it from the wheels a certain date, and then all of a sudden it's getting chucked back by 4 weeks, isn't it, every time?
Yeah, we're always waiting.
So now it's like, it was middle of September I was supposed to receive it, now it's the middle of October they're going to receive it, not me. So it's like, when are we actually going to get these stuff? So once that stuff comes back, we can then carry on and finish the wide body, and I can finally drive my car, because it's been a very long time.
You'll be lucky if you get it before Christmas.
I know. It's sad, I know. Thing is, we've got so much parts for the 350 we need to fit. I think we should actually do some videos on them.
Yeah.
We'll get them sorted. But again, if you like this video, something a little bit different, comment down below. Get us in them algorithms and earn us a bit of money back for this camera.
And the rest.
Yeah, and the rest.